Hey there, dear bloggers, smart businessmen, and inspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome to the video. If you've decided to host your website on Hostinger, congratulations, you picked one of the most reliable and affordable platforms out there. I'm excited to help you save even more today. I'm going to give you two different Hostinger discount opportunities. My personal referral coupon code brings you a generous 20% off on any plan, while the code STUDENT15 gives you 10% off. Between the two, the referral code is clearly the better choice, offering bigger savings that can feel truly heartwarming. When you're starting out or upgrading your online business, stick with me in this video and I'll show you step by step how to easily claim that fantastic 20% hosting a discount. All the referral links are waiting for you in the description box, thoughtfully arranged by country in ascending order, complete with local language and currency support. Choose your country, click the link, and you'll be taken straight to the official Hostinger site. On the home page, head to the nav bar and click on Products and Services. There you'll find every hosting option beautifully displayed. The good news is my 20% discount is valid across all of them. Today for demonstration, I'll go with web hosting and pick the business web hosting plan, an excellent choice for serious projects. As you proceed to checkout, you'll notice the 20% discount has been applied automatically. It's such a calming and enjoyable feeling when everything works so smoothly without any extra hassle. Here's a small but important tip for the best experience. Always create and use a brand new email address that you've never used with Hostinger before. I hope this tutorial turned out to be informative, useful, and maybe even a little inspiring for your journey. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future hosting deals and tips. Thank you for being here. I'm truly grateful. Now go ahead and enjoy building your dream website with that extra 20% savings.